here and get some of these dogs put away. Zach!
Well, you're on video, just so you know, Steve.
I don't care. Get out of here and get some of these dogs put away. Shouldn't all be people are messing with horses and you got all these animals out. Walk. Turn it around.
Turn around. Kind of do a, see if you can get her in trot.